Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another segment of Come Fly With Us, inside information about insurance. And we're back with Cody Gladney. Cody, we've got a question that came up recently with one of my clients. I started talking to them about umbrella policy, and they really didn't know what it was and how they know if they need one. So, kind of give us some inside information on that because you've been in the business longer than I have. So, you probably have a better answer for me for
Yeah, sure.
that.
So an umbrella policy is basically a liability policy that goes over the top of all your insurable assets.
Okay.
So, for instance, if you have home, cars, motorcycles, any other type of recreational vehicles, boats, those type of things, rental properties, it's an extra $1 million in liability coverage that you can get over the top of those.
Okay.
So, kind of how it works. Let's say a worst case scenario happened and you were a really bad accident that was your fault and you hurt somebody or even killed somebody really
Right.
bad. Your insurance policy on your auto would pay up to your policy limits. And then at that point, if you were liable for more or sued for more, then the $1 million or however many $1 million umbrella you have would kick in over the top of
Okay,
that.
gotcha. So it's just an extra layer, an extra protection in case that limit is not enough to take care of whatever judgments are against you.
That's correct. So
Okay.
it's very important to tell your insurance agent about all of the different insurable assets that you have, so that they can make sure include that in your umbrella policy. A lot of people call an umbrella policy the cheapest $1 million you can buy,
Well,
right? Because it usually is only about a couple $100 for $1 million policy.
well, that's to me that's a pretty good trade-off. A lot of people they're thinking, oh, it's another $200 out of my budget, but then, like you said, worst case scenario, if it were to happen, they would be really happy they had it.
That's exactly right.
So, well, that's a pretty simple answer. I've had people ask me, and that's pretty much what I've told them. But I just wanted to make sure I was on the right track. And like I said, there's probably some people out there who've never heard of an umbrella policy. Believe it or not, I've had people that I've talked to that never have heard of it. And I said, "What is that? What does it mean? And what is it for? Is it like going to rain or something?" And so, like, no, this is what it's for. But so I appreciate the information on that. Hope everyone's gaining knowledge from these little segments we're doing. We appreciate you watching and sharing your videos with your friends and family. Go to elliscountyvideos.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out the insurance section, and find out many more topics we're talking about. And keep in tune with us, and we'll get you some more information as we roll along through the weeks. We appreciate you watching, and we'll talk to you soon.